Good morning, dear students. Today we will do page number 77, book exercise of chapter number 7. We have read the chapter and I hope you have written the difficult words of chapter number 7. And now we can do that word meaning also. So I will give you the word meaning that you will write accordingly. So you will write the word meaning according to the book. We will mention till which extent we have done. First one is microchip, a very small piece of material that is used to carry a complicated circuit. We can write it a very small piece of material. So we can write it from here to here, a very small piece of material that is used to carry a complicated circuit, but we have to write it full. Okay, then write it as it is, a very small piece of material that is used to carry a complicated circuit. Write it as it is. Okay, then lounge, a comfortable room in a house for sitting or relaxing. Okay, this also you can write as it is. Then third one is gobbling, eating greedily and noisily. You can write it as it is. Then fix, to repair. You will write it as it is. Off stage, not on the stage. You can write it only this, not on the stage. From here to here, off stage, not on the stage. Next one is help me with the dinner. Assist me in preparing the dinner. You will write it as it is. Mind you, an expression used to add further comment. Mind you, you will write is as it is. Then we have wail, a cry of pain, as it is you will write. What's up? What is going on? You will write it from here to here. What is going on? Then choking, unable to breathe easily. You will write it as it is. Then moaning, making a long, low, sad sound. You also will write it as it is. Fussing, being excited or worried. You can write it from here, being excited or worried over small thing. Being excited or worried over small thing. Write it like this. Being excited or worried over small thing. Then great, wonderful. You can write meaning of great is wonderful. Next is here goes, used to announce that one is about to do something excited. Okay, you can write it as it is. And then these are the difficult words and word meaning that you will do in your English notebook of chapter number 7. So do your word meaning accordingly. One book exercise we have done and we are doing second one exercise. Choose the correct word for each blank. First one we have done and today we are doing second one. Options have given to us small, little. So we should write here, little children have small hands. So first one we will write little, children have small hands. Second one is let's run and rush. रश का मतलब होता है भागम भाग में लेके जाना. Him to hospital. We had a great time in the big city. Big city. Then we have when I looked at my watch. When I looked at my watch, I saw I was late. I will brush my teeth and then polish my shoes. So we will write here polish. You should live in union because okay, here we can write unity. UNITY. Here we write unity because union is strength. Union मतलब एकता. Please clean your hands. Clean your hands and clear my desk of papers. So you will do this exercise number 2 and the word meaning of chapter 7 in your English notebook, and then revise the learn the word meaning and this book exercise also.